Hi guys, Frankenstein here. Today let's look how to convert from a decimal number or decimal code. So not decimal code exactly, but a decimal digit, sorry, to a binary coded digit. So a BCD. So if let's say for example we're given, actually let me just go to the basic before doing that. So in a BCD you only have 4 sections. So you have the 1, the 2, the 4, and the 8. Anything you don't know. So that is the domain which you're going to stick to, a BCD. So you stick to an 8, to a 4, to a 2, to a 1. So let's say, for example, you are given to express 9 in BCD. So this is to part 10, and they want 9 in BCD, right? So how are you going to do that? Remember that BCD is similar to binary, but the difference is that it's restricted between 1 and 8. But always you have those values 1 and 0 as your referencing numbers or something to coordinate your number value. So how do you write 9? Remember, to write 9 in BCD, you go there and say, how do I make 9 between this? So you're going to let's drag this. So it'll be 8, 4, 2, 1. How do you write that? So just make yourself a little box in the way. But as you continue doing this, you see this will be just easy to do it. And then after that, you see how do I make 9? I will need 8 and I'll need 1. The rest I don't need. So I can multiply those by 0. So I can put 0 there. So 0 here, 0 here. Where I need 9, I'll put 1 there and put 1 there. So yeah, BCD, my value for 9 for BCD will be 1001. Is it fine? Well, it looks like binary, but that's BCD. Now let's do another one. Okay. Let's say they want you to find 16 in BCD. So 1610, and they want you to take it to BCD, binary coded digit. How are you gonna take it? So same thing. The difference here is that when you have a decimal digit which has like 2 numbers inside, like 9 has 1 number, but 16 has like 1 and 6. So you must break it down. So first step, you break it down. So it will be separating it, split it, 1 and 6, right? And then each number will have its independent box. You create that box, so it will be 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1. Do that. Now remember that when you split it, you're gonna treat independent number as its own individual number. And then after at the end, you're gonna merge it in a way. So for the first one, I'm looking to create 1. How do I create 1? I have to make the other ones zeros and leave 1, no 1. Then for 6, how do I create 6? I need 2 and 4, so I'll create out of zeros. So 0 and 0. Then when I need 6, it will be 1 and 1. So my binary coded digit is 0001 0 0 1 1 0. That is my binary coded digit. And then let's take another number which is a bit big, just to make it a bit of some broad examples. Now let's say, for example, they gave me 798 798 in decimal. Sorry, it's in a decimal. And they say find the BCD. How can I do that? Same thing. Here, there on 16, you had 2 numbers. Here, you have 3 numbers, so you split them. Same thing. So I'm going to split down to 7, 9, and 8. After that, I'm going to create my box. 1, 2, 3. But as you do it frequently, you won't be creating this box, you just see it. But for the sake of practice, let's just do it. Then you fill in that 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, I'm gonna start with the 7. So how do I create a 7 here? I will need a 4, a 2, and a 1. So the rest will be zeros. So here it will be 0, 1, 1, 1. How do I create a 9? I'll put a 1 there and 1 there. The rest will be zeros. How do I create a 0? It will be a 1 there. Sorry, how do I create an 8? It will be a 1 there. Zeros, zeros, zeros. Therefore, just take all these numbers. So it's gonna be a 0, 1, 1, 1. That is coming there. Then also put it there. It's gonna be 1, 0, 0, 1. And also put it. It's gonna be 1, 0, 0, 0. And that is your BCD digit, or your binary coded digit. And I can also continue more with a bit of a last one. Okay. So let's say maybe I have 1975, right? Same thing, you split them. So this is in decimal. So you want to find the BCD equivalent. Now probably know it. It's gonna be 1975, right? How do I create? Remember, I have 8, 4, 2, 1, right? I want to create 1. I'll only create 0, 0, 0, 1 there. I want to create 9. I'll only create 1, 0, 0, 1 because it's 1, 0, 0, 1. And then for 7, I'll create 0, 1, 1, 1. And then for 5, I'll create 0, 1, 0, 1. And at the end, you match them all. So it's gonna be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And that is your BCD, your binary coded digit. I think, yeah, that's enough. And then in the next one, we'll be looking at how to convert from BCD to decimal. Thank you, guys.